How to quickly install and move an LED display. This poster LED display is the answer. EA1920iP5 Indoor Folding Poster LED display features casters at the bottom for rapid deployment. Simply unlock the center lock to fold the display, saving significant space. When folded, videos can be played independently on either side of the LED display, making it a double-sided display. It will be shipped to the US customer in its folded state. If you need a larger LED display, you can connect multiple EA1920iP5 indoor folding poster LED displays using locking mechanisms and synchronize their images using an HDMI cable.